So this is a fully automated WhatsApp chatbot for a power washing business, and honestly, it feels like having a full-time employee replying to customers 24/7. Now watch this carefully. As soon as I have sent a message to this WhatsApp chatbot as book service, instantly the chatbot replies with one amazing welcome message that includes two quick buttons named as book service and contact us. So I am clicking on this book service button, and next you will see it will send me the types of services they are offering, including its image and the button, how interactively the chatbot is sending me a message, as it looks like I am communicating with the real human being. Let's say I want to book a house exterior cleaning service, so I am clicking on this book now button. Now watch this, how smartly the chatbot responds, and it mentioned the exact same service type as house exterior cleaning, as I have clicked on this book now button that are given below with this house exterior cleaning. It will smartly mentioned, and it also includes all the details regarding the service and one quick button as yes proceed. So let's say I want to proceed, so I am clicking on this button that is asking me for my full name. Once I send my name as a test user, after that is asking me for my address, preferred service booking date, and my contact number, as it is visible that how smartly the bot is asking me all my information. And once I send it, then you will see I have received a personalized request received message from this bot that includes all the leads that I have shared while communicating with the bot. That is my name as a test user, service type as house exterior clinic, preferred date, timing, and all the details completely personalized. So yes, this is the exact automated WhatsApp chatbot we are going to build today without writing a single line of code, using all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool named as Pabbly Chatflow. And I want you to know that I have created this automated WhatsApp chatbot for Power Washing Center as a complete example, but whether you run a real estate service based or any other business, you can customize the same chatbot for that too. But before we move ahead, I have something extremely valuable for you. If you also want to create this type of amazing automated WhatsApp chatbot for your own business, then go and purchase Pabbly tool by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. With the help of this single tool, you can not only just create a WhatsApp chatbot, but you can create an AI assistant, broadcast specialist, and many more. So go and purchase it. It will be really very beneficial for you and your business. Now, without wasting any time, let's start the creation of this amazing automated WhatsApp chatbot step by step. Alright, so this is the flow builder page of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can create and manage static chatbot seamlessly using a no-code, user-friendly drag and drop builder. If you are an existing user of Pabbly, then it's perfect. But if you are not, then go for Pabbly, pabbly.com/chatflow, and done the sign-up process. And once you do this, you will receive 100 free credits every month to explore the software. After doing the sign-up process, you will reach the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, and on the left-hand side, you will see the multiple features. You just have to come in this flows feature, and this flow builder page is going to be appear in front of you. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I am clicking on this plus add flow button. See, for creating this type of automated WhatsApp chatbot, we are going to design a WhatsApp flow by using Pabbly Chatflow. This is how flows look like. In this video, I'll explain each and every step. Now, this is the starting point of creating your flow, name as trigger. But before this, at first, you have to give the name to your flow, that what you are creating. Here, I'm entering my flow name as automate bookings and orders using WhatsApp chatbot. I have given this name by my choice, but you can give it completely based on the chatbot you are creating. After giving the name, I'll give you a quick overview of these two options, messages and actions. Under these options, you will see different buttons are there, and these are the buttons that we are going to use for creating our chatbot flow. Now let's get started. At first, you have to select the trigger event. When you click on it, it will provide you multiple types of trigger events. I am creating this flow with the help of keywords, so I will select this. Keywords are those manually entered words that I expect that the user will send to me. As we are creating this flow with the help of keywords, so the first keyword I am entering in this enter keywords box as book service. After entering the keyword, you have to press enter so that it will add in the list. Now I'm adding two more keyword here as hi and hello. See, these are the most expected keyword the user will send to me. Now whenever the user will send any of these keywords to my WhatsApp bot, then automatically my bot gets triggered. and reply to them by sending them one welcome message on behalf of my business. So for that, I'm adding one text button from here and entering a message in this enter message box as hello, welcome to Hydroblast Premium Power Washing. As I told you earlier in this tutorial, we are going to design an automated WhatsApp chatbot for power washing center. That's why I have given the business name as this, but you can customize it. In this message, I've also write that what would you like to do today. So for answering this, I am going to add two quick buttons for my user by the name of book service and contact us. So for that, I am clicking on this plus add button and entering a button name as book service, selecting the button type as quick reply. After that, I am clicking on the save button, and the next one is contact us. Here I have added. Next, I am linking the trigger point of this flow to this text button. See, it is connected. Now whenever the user will click on this book service button, then my bot will reply to them by sending them this message that here are our most popular services and the multiple types of services too. So for setting this type of messages, at first I'm again adding this text button, entering a message as here are our most popular services. After that, for adding images of services, I am clicking on this plus add content button and selecting the content type as media button. After that, selecting the media type as image of the first service that I am offering from my gallery. See, the image is uploaded successfully. Here I have uploaded this image to make my chatbot more interactive and interesting towards my user. And next, I am entering the service name in this enter caption box as house exterior cleaning. With this service type, I am going to add one quick button by the name of book. Now here I have added. Now for adding two more types of services, I am again doing the same, means clicking on this plus add content button, selecting the content type as media. After that, the media type as image, and again uploading one image. Here I have uploaded, entered the service name as driveway power washing, also added one quick button too. And now I am again doing the same for the third one too. Here I have added. In real time, this message will look like this. Moving forward, whenever the user will click any of these book now button, then my bot will reply to them. But before that, I am going to do the setup of custom field tags. So for that, I am clicking on this actions option and clicking on the set custom field because I want to add the contact custom fields node. After that, I am selecting the contact custom field as service type, and in this enter value box, I am going to write this, that is house exterior cleaning, because I set this contact custom field specifically for this service type. That's why I am linking this to this. I am also connecting this circle which I present in front of book service to this list node. Connection plays major role. You have to make sure that each and every node will connect with each other. Here I have set this contact custom field specifically for this service type. Now I am going to the setup of two more contact custom field node for each of these service types too. Here I have added, and you can see I use the same contact custom field in each of these nodes as a service type, but only change the value completely based on the service type that I have selected here. At the end, this will help your bot to provide customized message to your users completely based on their selected choice. Ads in real time, as soon as I have clicked on the book now button of this service type, it will automatically mention the same service type at the end. So this is how contact custom field works. For creating a contact custom field, you have to click on the settings option and go in this contact custom fields option. It is a user specific parameters for managing contact details like name, email, service type, contact number, and many more. In simple terms, contact custom field is used to send personalized message to each user. Now when the user click on this book now button, means they want to book this house exterior cleaning service, then my bot will reply to them by sending them more details about this service. So for that, I am clicking on this circle, dragging a line and selecting the content type as text button. You can also get this text button from here. After that, I am entering the information about this home exterior cleaning service in this enter message box. Here I have entered as great choice. You have selected with dollar symbol service type. Now why I have used this dollar symbol before this service type? So it is a contact custom field symbol, and with the help of the symbol, automatically the user selected service type will come in this place. Now with this message too, I want to add one quick button And again I am saying that I am designing this flow by my choice, but you can customize it completely based on your own business and imagination. Now I am doing the setup of the same text button for both of these service types. That includes the specific details too. Here I have added. Now whenever the user will click any of these yes proceed button, then my bot will reply to them by asking them to share their full name. For that, I am clicking on this actions option and adding button as ask a question. After that, I am entering a question in the center message box as may I know your full name. For that, I am selecting the contact custom field as full name and the format as text, as name should always in the format of text. Next, the number of attempts. Number of attempts is defined as how many times you give retry attempts to your users for answering this question. It also works like this, that you have selected the format as text, but user will reply to your bot in the format of number or any other format except text. Then bot will not continue the conversation because it only accepts the text format. So for solving this type of cases, you can increase the number of attempts for your user so that they can re-answer this question. But whenever we increase the number of attempts, we have to write the validation message in this enter message box. For this case, you can enter the validation message like please share your name in the correct format. Here I am giving the number of attempts as 0, so there is no requirement of any validation message. After that, I am linking all these 3 yes proceed circle to this question node, as at first I want my user's full name. For booking, see it is connected now. Whenever the user will share their full name to my bot, then my bot will reply to them by asking them to share their address, preferred service booking date and their contact number. So for that, I'm again doing the same that I have done here, means I am adding 3 more questions in this flow. The process of adding questions in the flow will be the same. Here I added all the 3 questions too, where in this question box I ask my user to share their address. That's why I have selected the contact custom field as address and the format is any. In the next, I ask my user to share the preferred service date for the cleaning. That's why I have selected the contact custom field as date and the format as any. You can also select the format as date from here if you want to. And lastly, in this question box, I write that please share your contact number. So for that, I have selected the contact custom field as contact number and the format as number. You can also enter minimum and maximum values in both of these boxes if you want to. Here I haven't added. Now when all these communication will done, then at last my bot will provide one customized request receive message to the user that will be personalized and dynamically includes all their inputs, just like this. So for setting up this type of message, I am adding one text button from here and entering a respond message in this enter message box. As your service request has been received successfully with $symbol, full name, service type, date, time and address. As you can see that I have used the $symbol before some fields for making the data dynamic. I have already explained you about this, as it is a contact custom field symbol. After that, I am linking this circle to this. Moving forward, the next button is contact us. Whenever the user will click on this button, then my bot will share them the contact details of the expert. So for that, I'm entering it in this enter message box. Here I have entered and our flow is completed. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on the save button so that your flow will be saved and updated. So this is how easily you can create a WhatsApp chatbot flow inside Pabbly Chatflow. If you face any difficulties or you have any queries while doing the setup of this amazing flow, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. I have also shared the link of this flow in the description below. You can check it out. As I told you, I have designed this as a dummy example. You can customize the same chatbot for your own business too. This automated WhatsApp chatbot will give instant replies to your users in real time like this 24/7 without you touching your phone. It is only made possible with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grabbing exclusive offers. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.